Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a value in between a row. In here you can see this is the test table, and from this test table I'm going to drop this row. Okay, so let me write a command: delete from test where id is equal to 4. Okay, let me select star from test. You can see the 4 record is deleted. Okay, so I need to insert a value and between 3 and 5. So how I can do that? So let me select a insert query. Let me insert into test id name payment, and let me give s4. Okay, and let me do that. Select star from test. You can see it is on a 4 record. It should be here. Okay, so how I can do that? I was trying to do many things, insert after order by many things. I was trying to do that. So before that, what you need to do, let me drop this table again. Let me drop it again, and let me select. And here you can see when I did insert, then it came to the last. Okay, it should be here between 3 and 5. So next time I'm going to insert this same query, and the record will be between 3 and 4. So how to do that? For that you have to run a command: alter table test. Okay, alter table test. Then you have to add the primary key. I need to use the primary key on id. Okay, alter table test, add primary key id. So let me do the same insert again. Insert into test. Let me do that. Let me do a select. You can see id is inserted on between 3 and 5. Okay, so friends, this is how adding the primary key on id column you can insert any value on between that record. Okay, so you have to remember to assign that id as a primary key of the table. Okay friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.